real entity. Swami Vivekananda expressed this very boldly and proudly. He saw India as a cultural consciousness that has been living and breathing for centuries. An India that only emerges stronger after every challenge despite prediction to the contrary. Swami Vivekananda wanted to make India prabudh or awakened. He wanted to awaken the self-belief that as a nation we can aspire for greatness. Friends, Swami Vivekananda had great compassion for the poor. He truly believed that poverty was at the root of every problem. Therefore, poverty had to be removed from the nation. He gave topmost importance to Daridra Narayan. From USA, Swami Vivekananda wrote many letters. I would like to refer to the letters he wrote to the Maharaja of Mysore and Swami Ramakrishnanand ji. In these letters, two clear thoughts emerge about Swamiji's approach to empowering the poor. First, he wanted empowerment to be taken to the poor if the poor themselves cannot easily go to the empowerment. Second, he said about India's poor, I quote, they are to be given ideas. Their eyes are to be opened to what is going on in the world around them, and then they will work out their own salvation. Unquote. This is the approach with which India is moving ahead today. If the poor cannot access banks, then banks must reach the poor. That is what the Jan Dhan Yojana did. If the poor cannot access insurance, then insurance must reach the poor. This is what the Jan Suraksha scheme did. If the poor cannot access healthcare, then we must take healthcare to the poor. This is what Ayushman Bharat scheme did. Roads, education, electricity, and internet connectivity are being taken to the every corner of the country, especially to the poor. This is igniting aspirations among the poor. And it is these aspirations that are driving the growth of the country. Friends, Swami Vivekananda said, the remedy for weakness is not brooding over it, but thinking of strength. When we are thinking in terms of obstacles, we get buried in them. But when we think in terms of opportunities, we get the way to move forward. Take the COVID-19 global pandemic as an example. What did India do? It did not only see the problem and remain helpless. India focused on solutions. From producing PPE kits to becoming a pharmacy for the world, our country has gone from strength to strength. It has also become a source of support for the world during the crisis. India is at the forefront of developing COVID-19 vaccines. Just a few days ago, India had launched the world's largest vaccination drive. We are using this capacity to also help other nations. Friends, climate change is another obstacle that the whole world is facing. However, we did not only complain about the problem, we brought a solution in the form of the International Solar Alliance.